All right, guys, station number 4 of the 10 in the DEKA Strong. In our partnership, Dr. Michelle will do all these by herself. And there's 25 repetitions at 14 pounds for the female. However, the males will use 20 pounds. If by some chance, and you can, we decided to split this for whatever reason, my ball would be on the floor, and as she rolls out to allow me to finish whatever repetition she left off, I'd have to grab the appropriate ball. However, whenever we train, she does this all 25 by herself. Why don't you light it back? So the basic principle is this, is the ball for 1 rep is whenever you touch between your ankles and down. So whenever she comes up and down, that's 1. So the big point of this is, can you come on up, Doc? Is you want to make sure that your ball is between your ankles. Can you straighten your legs out? That's a problem. That is a problem. Right. Now you're extending 4 inches. So the secret is have your knees bent, your ankles as close to you as possible. That allows you to go up and down. Because you come too close, you don't have the leverage come down.
And you have to touch it over your head.
That counts as 1. Okay, now she's going to go ahead and do 10 reps the normal way, the legal way. There's 1, 2, 3, and obviously she's very efficient, she's very strong, and she has no problem doing this. Then we're going to show you the pro tip way. Okay, and last one. Okay, that's how we started off. Here is the pro tip way. It's legal to do this. As she comes back, what happens is she's going to lift her hips up, and then she's going to use her hips driving back to the mat for momentum. At the end of the day, to increase your time, you want to minimize muscle lactate from building up, and you want to try to use momentum within the guidelines. And the guidelines is you have to go between your ankles and have to hit above your head. If you do those 2 things, I don't think they really care if you stay your tailbone on the mat or you're up in the air.
Some people who have longer arms or maybe even a longer torso are able to
not even come all the way
barely get up and able to reach there.
Yeah.
I actually have to do a sit up because I don't have super long
Yeah,
arms.
we've seen people, they're doing half a crunch. Their arms are so long that they fly through there. So whenever you're going through these motions, find out what your genetic strengths and weaknesses are and go from there.